Hey Charmers, today I'm going to show you 5 different ways to use your Iconic London Illuminator in any shade of your choice. The one I've chosen to do today is the original. So the first way that you can do it is you can mix it into your SPF or lotion. The one that I'm going to show you is featured in our Boxy pop-up. It's E&H, it has SPF, so you're really killing 2 birds with one stone here. You're going to mix a little illuminator with your SPF and glow all day while protecting yourself from those harmful rays. Let's try it out. Just gonna mix it together. As you can see, now your regular lotion or your regular SPF has become this beautiful, glowing shimmer that's just gonna be the great foundation for underneath your makeup, or if that's all you have time for, look at how gorgeous. And since I already have some makeup on, I'm just gonna apply it to my neck. One of the most important parts to remember to put SPF on, Charmers. Don't forget about the neck. One of the first places that we're going to show signs of aging, so we really want to make sure that we're giving it as much love, if not more, than the rest of our face. Hairline to nipples, that's what I always say, use the SPF. Okay, so another way that you can use your Iconic London Glow Illuminator is in your foundation. So we all have heard of glow foundations or matte foundations, and really you can make any foundation a glowy foundation by adding a little bit of this illuminator in it. Let me show you how. So we just have our regular foundation, just normal. We're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna mix a little bit of illuminator in there. And the beauty of this is you get to be the boss of how much you're putting in there. Let's say that you don't like too much glow, but you want just a little bit, just put a little drop in. Let's say you're going out and you just wanna be glowing. Put a ton in. Do whatever it is that you want. I'm gonna mix these together again. And I'll show you a little bit on my neck. Beautiful, right? So this next one I love because most people probably haven't thought about putting it in their body oil. So here we have this M Green Grass Dry Oil Spray, and it smells amazing. And it was featured in a past box. And I like to pair this up with an illuminator because it gives you that extra glow on your body. This is perfect for the beach, and I'm just gonna show you on my arm. Use a little bit of illuminator. And I wish I could show you over my whole body because I want to do this to my whole body, but right now I only have my arm. Look at how beautiful. Okay, so another way to use the illuminator is you can just use it as an eyeshadow. Might sound crazy, but it really is beautiful, and I'm going to show you. Just going to use a little bit. Mirror up here. I'm just putting it on this inside part of my eye, really giving a nice beautiful glow to that. You see that? It's a beautiful topper to any eyeshadow just to make it really metallic and sheen, and it's gonna really, like I said, photograph well. That's what these illuminators are for. They're gonna reflect light and give the most gorgeous sheen. See, it's still the same look, but it just gives a nice, dewy, beautiful sheen to the eye. So let's not forget just the age-old way to apply highlighter, right? I like to take my ring finger And just get right on those cheekbones, baby. So this Elemis Rose facial oil is amazing. It's been in one of the previous BoxyCharm boxes, and I'm not going to show you because I already have a full face of makeup on, but I love to put a drop of this and a drop of the illuminator, mix it together, and it's the most beautiful first layer for that skin prep before you start your makeup. And it's just going to make the skin look really healthy, and then when you put the foundation over top, whether you decide to mix them in that or not, whatever look finish you're going for, it's a really great way to start your makeup looks is by mixing a little into your facial oil. Last but certainly not least, I'm going to use some in my Brazilian Bum Bum cream. And this is an all-purpose, really hydrating cream, and sometimes I just like a little extra glow, even if it's on my hands, even if it's on my arms. It just makes me feel a little bit more hydrated. So I'm going to mix some illuminator in. And this one's kind of hard to see on camera, so I'm just going to rub it into my hands. But it gives the most gorgeous sheen to your skin. Really healthy, glowy skin no matter where you put it. And I'm running out of room, so I'm just going to rub it into my hands because who doesn't need a little extra moisturizer? Don't forget about the ears. Okay, Charmers, thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this useful, whether you want to use one drop or whether you want to get carried away and get your glow on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below, and bye, Charmers.